Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to Therapy Kingdom. Today we are going to explore swine influenza. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Swine influenza. Swine influenza is an infection caused by any several types of swine influenza virus. Swine influenza virus or swine origin influenza virus refers to any strain of the influenza family of viruses that is endemic in pigs. What is swine flu caused by? Swine influenza is a respiratory disease of pigs caused by type A influenza virus that regularly cause outbreaks of influenza in pigs. Influenza virus that commonly circulate in swine, as called swine influenza virus or swine flu virus. Is swine flu harmful to human? H1N1 influenza infections can cause symptoms such as rhinorrhea, rigors, myalgia, headache, fever, chills, loss of appetite and possibly low respiratory tract disease and gastrointestinal disease. Rarely, H1N1 influenza can lead to acute respiratory distress syndrome and secondary bacterial sepsis. What animal does swine flu comes from? Swine influenza is an upper respiratory disease of pigs caused by type A influenza virus. Symptoms of infection may include difficulty breathing, loss of appetite and weight loss, resulting in economic losses of producers. How long does swine flu last? Most people can fight off swine flu on their own. The symptoms of H1N1 are similar to those of the regular flu. On average, symptoms last about 8 days. Call your healthcare provider if your symptoms last longer or worsen. Is swine flu spreadable? Yes, this is swine influenza A H1N1 virus is contagious and is spreading from human to human. However, at this time it is not known how easily the virus spread between people. How do people catch swine flu? The virus enters your body when you breathe in contaminated droplets. It can also enter your body if you touch a contaminated surface and then touch your nose or mouth. You can catch swine flu from eating pork. What to eat for swine flu? Vitamin D enriched foods. Vitamin D has demonstrated efficacy in suppressing the inflammatory response to the H1N1 virus, thereby diminishing the risk of the swine flu. Sources abundant in vitamin D encompass mushrooms, salmon, sardines, egg yolk, and exposure to sunlight. Swine influenza, also known as H1N1 influenza, can cause a range of symptoms including fever, coughing, sore throat, runny or congested nose, body aches, headache, trembling, fatigue, diarrhea or vomiting. What is the best thing for swine flu? Patients need to rest and drink plenty of clear fluids and use home remedies such as cough syrups or vapor rubs and inhalation. Is there a vaccine for H1N1? Influenza virus vaccine H1N1 is used to prevent infection caused by the influenza A H1N1 2009 virus. The vaccine works by causing your body to produce its own protection antibodies against the disease. It is also known as a flu shot. What is the difference between swine flu and normal flu? Characteristics of the new H1N1 flu: strain a runny nose, stuffed nose, and headache may also be present. Some people also experience gastrointestinal symptoms such as nausea or diarrhea. This is thought to be one of the way it is different from the seasonal flus. How can swine flu be stopped? How can you prevent swine flu? Always wash your hands before eating. Keep a sanitizer handy. During the flu season, wash your hands as often as possible, especially before touching your face. Get a flu shot annually for precaution. If you are infected, keep a distance from others to prevent the spread of the disease. Is swine flu a problem? Swine flu was a popular name for flu caused by a type of flu virus responsible for a global flu outbreak in 2009 and 10. It's now just a normal type of seasonal flu and is included in the annual flu vaccine. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for being the part of the Therapy Kingdom. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe for more content.